Hi again. In this lesson, I'm going to be going through the next feature of the website, and this is the database of experts. Okay, you can access the database of experts by simply going to database of experts here on the home page. It's also available, it may also be available on your site in the more resources tab. That is if you have not already moved it. So to access it, simply click database of experts. And what this does is it allows the user of the website to find experts in various areas with expertise in various areas. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to find all the experts that are in Jamaica. Now, you could put in a first name. You could put in, for instance, I would put in any expert with the name John, and all experts with the name John would pop up regardless of country. I could know that, for example, I'm looking for an expert in Jamaica that has the name John. I'd put first name John and select country. So in this case, I'm just going to be looking for all the experts that happen to be in Jamaica. So I'm going to go scroll down to Jamaica, select that. I'm going to click search. The search page, the search results now pop up with, I can't pronounce that name, but an expert in Jamaica. All right, if I click that name as a user, I am then directed to the experts details page that has name, place of employment, the areas of expertise, as well as the email addresses, phone number, as well as the CV for that particular expert. Okay, so just going through that really quickly. There's also the printable version and the send to friend option, similarly to what we had with the calendar, as you may have seen in previous videos. So I'm going to close that. Now let's go back to the database of experts page. Right now, this by default is a search page. Okay, you, however, may be, or you may know someone who is an expert and they want to add their information, submit their information to your website for use. Okay, now to add that information, simply click, the user would simply click add new expert. This is going to allow them to add themselves or someone that they know to your database. All right, so I'll scroll down a bit. I'm going to add my own information here. First name Chris, last name Mills, Jamaica, sorry, Kingston as a city, country Jamaica, I'm just going to press J, title, managing director, place of employment, Chrysalis Communications. Below that I have the option to select the primary area of expertise. Now if I wanted to select more than one, I'd hold down the control key to select more than one area, but in this case I'm just going to select say for example data analysis as the primary area, and then below that I'll pick census management. Alright, next we have an area for my email address. I'll put Chris at chrislishosting.com, and also my phone number 876-946-3980. Okay, I won't be uploading a CV, but if I wanted to, I could simply click browse, and that would take me to my desktop, for example, where I could select my Word file or PDF document, then have that uploaded to the site automatically. The last field is a security code, which is placed here just to prevent just arbitrary junk being added to the website by spammers and so on. So in this case, I'll go in and I'll type in, as it says, B3TB2. Okay, then I will click submit. Okay, then I get a message saying that it has been successfully added to the database, and it will be published after the webmaster approves. Now the webmaster in this case may be you. I can go back to the database of experts page, and then that's essentially it. So that's what the front end looks like. Now from the administrator standpoint, I'm going to go back to the content management system. I'll select expert management, and as you can see, we have a bunch of options that have popped up. The first one is add expert, which works exactly the same way as we just did. Okay, put in first name, last name, city, etc. It's the same thing, but it's done from the administrator side. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, however, the administrator has one additional field, and that is the approval status. By default, any expert added to the website, whether it be from the content management system side or from the user's side, as I just did, is added with a status of pending, meaning that if someone goes to search the site, that expert is not found until the administrator comes in and changes the status from pending to approved, right? You can, if you're adding information to the system right off the bat, you can change the status immediately upon entry of the expert, if you follow me. All right, so I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to add any more information. Now, I'll scroll back up. I'll go to Manage Experts. And here you'll see a list of all the experts that are available. They are listed here in alphabetical order. The last one I entered here, that's me, okay? And my status is currently pending. I can edit this. The Edit Experts page loads. It has all of the information that I had entered, okay? And I will select the approval status. I'll change this from pending to approved. Once this is done, I'll update. It says record successfully saved. If I go back to the site now, same database of experts page, and I type in, I'm going to search, for example, for any expert with the name Mills. I'll scroll down, click search, and there I am. Okay, easy stuff. So let's go back to the manage experts page. I'm going to delete that record because I don't really want to be listed here. I'll just delete myself. And that's how you essentially manage and edit experts on the website. Now we have some additional options. Let me just show you something again. If we go to edit an expert, you notice that we have the areas of expertise, primary and secondary. You can add, edit, or delete any of these areas of expertise by going here to the manage primary or secondary areas of expertise. All right, we had to shorten them because of the length of the name. So it's pri expertise and sec expertise. If we click on manage pri expertise, we get a list here. And to add one, simply, let's say for example, I want to add website development as an area of expertise. I'm going to click add. It's instantly added to the list and available on the front end of the website. If I want to delete it, I can delete it. If I want to edit it, let's say I want to use the term website design instead of website development, click update. Really easy. I'm going to delete that. Okay, the same is true for the secondary area of expertise, and that's it. So I'm going to do a separate video just to show you the additional features, the minor features of the expert management section. So I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.